Hi. So we are going to address the most burning issue, that is private limited versus LLP. Hi, this is Rishi.
Hi, this is Raj.
We are from Invest in Pre-Leased. We help you profit from curated pre-lease proposals. So today we have a very dynamic personality amongst us. Let me introduce her. Krupa Joisar, a company secretary and fellow member of the Institute of Company Secretaries of India and LLB graduate from the Government Law College GLC Mumbai. She is passionate about corporate laws and has worked with a reputed practicing CS firm and got hands-on experience with leading with one of the India's largest corporate sectors, that is construction industry, handling corporate restructuring, legal due diligence, drafting agreements, rendering opinion on diverse issues under Companies Act, FEMA, NBFC, and has represented her clients before NCLT, SEBI, RBI for more than 9 years now. She has a passion and commitment towards her work and thus empowering her firm and all the stakeholders. We welcome Krupa. Thank you for being here.
Thank you, Raj and Rishi, for such a wonderful introduction.
So we'll begin with our first question. It's all going to be in and around LLP versus private limited. And as all fractional ownership companies keep saying, we are creating a SPV. So Krupa, treat us as layman and please explain to us what a SPV is.
Sure, Raj. So before reading this question, I would try to give me certain disclaimers. Viewers, please consider this video for educational and for awareness purpose only. So before investing or taking any decision, please consult your profession, maybe lawyer or a CS, and take a professional guidance and then only jump into investment decisions. So Raj, answering your question, SPV. So as the name suggests, it's a special purpose vehicle. So it is an entity formed for a specific purpose. For example, any builder or a real estate tycoon will incorporate any entity, could be a LLP or a private limited, for accomplishing or completing is one of his project. So it's formed only for a specific purpose. That is a special purpose vehicle.
So in that purpose, let's say, since we are talking in context of fractional real estate ownership, so if they're creating a SPV for the purpose of owning the real estate, is there any, so owning the real estate and managing it, is there any other activity permitted in that? And if, and how does an investor come to know that, yes, this is the special purpose and nothing beyond this will be carried out?
Sure. So for any entity, could be a private limited company or a LLC. So now I'll come to private limited company. When a company is incorporated, so it has to abide by a memorandum of association. So in memorandum of association, there is a specific clause named as object clause, where it is specifically mentioned that what the company will do or is allowed to do. So by reading the memorandum, an investor or any person from general public can understand that why this company is formed and what this company will do. Similarly, for a LLP, it is more regulated via a LLP agreement. So in LLP agreement, specifically main objects are mentioned. So again, while by going through the LLP agreement, a person can come to know why this LLP has been formed.